Ooh, got the.
We're doing the
Smurf.
Nerf Gun Challenge.
Smurf gun.
We can say Nerf on here.
Okay, Nerf Gun Challenge.
Adam doing the. We've got a bottle and a pen lined up there. You can see it. Adam is his first go
First.
to do the bottle. So
Pressure's on.
miss.
Oh,
Miss.
no way.
3. Adam, hold the camera.
No way, I gotta find my bullet.
Stand by there and do it like I just did to you.
How did I miss? That's terrible. I need him to miss. Oh, he's firing blanks again. And again. Come on, Josh. Oh, missed. Has he got any? No, he points it at his face.
Just a bit.
Just points it right at his face. It's dangerous, that is, Josh. Oh, he's missed. That's a great sound on yours. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh.
Is it me, is it?
Put it in his face.
Oh my god.
Your gun is terrible.
Pass me your gun.
Whoa. You gotta turn it on. You gotta turn it on. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Go, he holds it. Oh, he's missed.
This gun's crap.
He's missed. Whatever.
Okay, let's get your bullets. Pass me the phone. So I missed all of them, so did he. This is take 2, by the way, so we could have had it first time. But you know what, like.
There's one yours.
Well, Adam. Before the song finishes. Right, so where am I?
No.
You got bullets in hand. Use them bullets for now.
This is a great song.
I found one of your bullets here.
Oh yeah, there's one.
Come on.
Right, I got enough.
Right, let's go back to the table.
I'm missing one.
This is for the pen now. I'm only missing 2, aren't I?
Great song.
It's for the pen. Adam's, let me get close up on this one. Miss. Miss.
Oh,
Miss.
that's close.
Hold that. Don't! You're cheating!
Nearly hit it as well.
Hold that. Let me get my gun.
Is Josh even going to fire?
Get in a good space.
I'm not sure he is. Even if he does fire, he's not got this.
Go over there again.
He's not got this. That was close. That was close. He's not firing. Oh, no way!
Yes! Yes, one more shot left as well.
We'll have to try each other's guns after this. I think yours is accurate.
Put the bottle up. Look it up. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I've been Josh Collins. Bye bye. Yeah,